Hey there! I'm reviewing this shaker bottle, an excellent choice for anyone serious about their fitness and protein supplementation. The whole pink design is sleek and stylish, making it a standout at the gym or during workouts. The 16 ounces capacity is perfect for a single serving of protein powder, pre-workout, or any other supplement drink. One of the best features is the secure screw-on lid, which prevents any leaks or spills, even when I'm shaking it vigorously. The stay-open flip cap is super convenient, allowing me to easily sip my shake without having to hold the lid down. The classic loop top is a nice touch, making it easy to carry around or attach to my gym bag. I also appreciate that the bottle is BPA-free, ensuring a safe and clean drinking experience. It's easy to clean and doesn't retain any odors or stains, even after multiple uses. The shaker is great for mixing protein powder, no clumps, just smooth and consistent shakes every time. Overall, this is a reliable, well-designed shaker bottle that does exactly what you need it to. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a durable and efficient shaker bottle for their fitness needs.